Hello everyone! Welcome back to Teacher Joy's video. Today, in our language lesson, we're going to read all the words with 4-letter words or CVCC words and with the ending sound of L, S, and F. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Ending O. Yes, let's read these words. Bell, tell. Very good. Sell, peel, meal, bill, roll, tall. Now, how about this word? Bell. Do you read them? Bell? No. So how do we read that? If you find a with l and o, you will read them all. Yes, very good. Say it again. All. Let's read it. All. So now, if you find this word, ball, call, fall, tall, very good, mall, hall. Yay! Well done! Now let's read the sentences. Jill will roll the ball. Good job. Number 2. Bill is tall. Yes. Number 3. The bell will fall. Alright, good job everyone. Now, we're going to read the words with ending S. Yes. S. Ready? Mess. His. Right? Mass. Bass. Good job. And then ending sound double F. Cuff. Puff. Muff. Huff. Alright, now let's get ready to read the sentences. Number 1. I like to kiss my mom. Very good. Sentence number 2. Do not make a mess. Well done. Sentence number 3. The cop has a handcuff. Well done, everyone. Alright, that's how you will read all the 4-letter words with the double consonant blends. I hope you can practice every day so you can read more fluently day by day. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.